Assalamu alaikum class 8. How are you all? I hope so that you are studying at home and you are sending me the work as well. I am checking it. I am so much excited and very happy that all of you are doing the work at home. So today inshallah we will do chapter number 2, that is Nicholas Nickleby. In your book it's the second lesson and it is written by Charles Dickens. Charles Dickens has written this lesson to describe the condition of the boarding school at that time. Please keep in mind that Charles Dickens in this lesson is describing the condition of boarding school of that time, not now. Now the condition has totally changed and now we are having a very good boarding school in our country as well. So Charles Dickens described that how the children were sent to the boarding school and how they were treated at that time. He has taken the main character, Nicholas Nickleby, who was sent to be a teacher at the school, and he observed the routine of the children in the boarding school, how they were mistreated in that school, how they were served very bad food, and even the education was very poor. They were given the very low protein and low food, and also the education was not good. So he described how they were asked to get up early in the morning and they were given very bad tasted like a syrup in the breakfast. So when you will read the chapter you will enjoy a lot because there are many funny situations as well. Please read it and you will find difficult words. Please search from the dictionary and write down in your copies. Now come up to the comprehension vocabulary exercise 1. That is, you have to write down the opposite of the given words in list A and list B. Opposite meaning, for example, feeble. It's mean weak. So you have to find out the opposite of that word in this B. What is the opposite of feeble? Feeble means weak. So what would be the opposite of weak? Strong. So you will match the column feeble with strong. Second word is neglect. Neglect means to ignore someone, but the opposite of neglect is care. In the same way, curly. Curly, the opposite of curly is straight. In the same way, you will solve the exercise A. You have to match the column with the opposite meaning. You will search the opposite meaning from in the list B and you will match the column on the book. Next is give the noun form from these words. There are given some words. You have to change the words to make them noun. For example, ugly. Ugly is an adjective, but it can be a noun with some changing. So we will write down ugliness. That can be noun. Krull, krullness. And the end, quality can be determined, determination. Ignorant, ignorance. Brutal, brutality. Horrified, horror. Hungry, hunger. So in the same way you will change the words into noun. Ugly, ugliness. Krull, krullness. Determination, determined, determination. Ignorant, ignorance. Brutal, brutality. Horrified, horror. Hungry, hunger. Next is C part, that you have to make the sentences of the given words. Heart full of pity, one by one, his full share used to it, in solemn voice took their places. These are very easy words. You have to make sentences in your copies. Next is D part, that are question answers. If you will read the chapter, you can easily find out the question answers. You have to write down in your copies the answer of the questions. Next is language structure. In language structure A part, complete these sentences by adding adjectives. So what you will do? Complete by adding adjectives. You can write down the words according to your will. For example, John painted the door dash. Adjective means the quality of something, good or bad. So you have to put any word according to your choice. John painted the door. I am writing red. That is the adjective. John painted the door red. In the same way, she dyed the old dress dash. What you will write? You can write according to your choice. She dyed the old dress purple, pink. He pushed the door softly. They found the room tidy, clean, any word. So you have to complete these sentences by adding the adjectives. Now come to the B part, that is finish these sentences by adding first an infinitive and then any other word. You have to complete the words. For example, I am very sorry dash. Infinitive means you have to write down to and then you have to write any other word. I am very sorry dash. I am very sorry to hear about your mother's death. We are willing dash. We are willing to accept your invitation. So you have to write down to and any other word according to your choice. Then is C part, that is add for with the noun or pronoun given. The word is given in the bracket and you have to put just for. For example, add for with the noun. Or pronoun given. Number 1, it is easy to talk. And the noun is given, pronoun is given you. So how will you change it? You have to write down for and you. Now you will write down it is easy for you to talk. I think that it will be clear for you that it is easy for you to talk. Second one is it is impossible to say what will happen and the word is me. So you will write down it is impossible for me to say what will happen. In the same way you have to solve the exercise. Today we have done chapter number 2. You have to read the story. I hope so that you will enjoy the story as well, and I have described some exercises for you. Kindly solve these exercises completely in your copies and send me the work. I will check. Thank you so much.